Hey guys, welcome back to the Franny channel. Today I have something very exciting for me. I am going to do my very first haul video. These are all products I purchased, and these are all products that I'm going to be reviewing in the time. Okay, nothing is sponsored. Like I said, I bought everything with my hard-earned money. So let's take a look at what we have. I did two purchases separately. I'm gonna do the first one. So this is the first purchase. I got the Morphe Blushing Babes Puff of Blush. This is a really nice little trio that they had. And Morphe's packaging now is like very sturdy, so that's really nice. And this is how it looks inside, if I can put my fingers around it. There we go. So it's really pretty. I'm not into like very hot pinks, but this one kind of like, you know, caught my eye. And I might be able to use this like as a crazy highlighter somewhere. So I got this. This one retails for $12. $20. Now all of these items, I'll have the codes and everything, description stuff on the bottom of the description box. Yes, did I make sense? I'll have all the products linked below. There you go. So that's that. And then the other thing, I'm just gonna go through how I took pictures of it because I took pictures. So the next thing I ordered was the 8L Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer palette. This is 8 shades for glam glow. So this has your bronzers, and it looks something like this. Okay. And it's very pretty. Now this comes for light shades and darker shades. So this is for light shades, and it has your contour, your bronzing colors, and then it has I want to say like your highlight colors. You can use these as highlights. So that is this one. Very nice. This one would retail for $25. Let me put it back in the package and just move it aside. There. Next, I got a couple of brushes. No, just a couple. So we'll just throw this now. There. So the first one I have here on my little picture, because I took pictures of it, is the Essence brush. Now this little brush, I have never used it, and I wanted to go ahead and use it because it was only $1.99. So if I end up liking these, haha, I'm gonna purchase more. There we go. The other one that I have here is another Morphe M441 brush. I love these brushes. So that's that. It feels really soft. It has a nice weight to it. This is the Essence. It got a little. Then I got the M441 retailed for $6. And then I got the M444. There we go. And this one retails for $13. The M431. Ooh. It's like this little pencil brush. This one retails for $5. And then I got another M433. And this one's for $4. The M443. This one is the pointed liner brush. So this is really nice for like your liner. And then lastly, the Precision M510. This one was also like $6. Now I am not going to use these yet. I am going to go ahead and save them for a review. So these are going to go in this little thingy right here, and I'm not going to touch them until I have to use them. There. I can throw this away. Next, I did get, oh, I'm sorry, this one, the 510 Pro Round Blender Brush. This one retails for $8. Okay. Now, I did get the Catrice setting spray. This is the Prime and Fine Long-Lasting Multi-Talent Fixing Spray. Now, this was on deal, so I bought 3. And those retail for $7.99. Now, I'm very excited for this next 2 things because I've never ever owned one of these. Like back in the day when I was in high school, I purchased a lipstick of these, and it was that knockoff, you know, lipstick, but I was living the life. I was like, ooh, I got a MAC lipstick. But it was a knockoff, and you can totally tell the quality. It was a total knockoff, but I've never owned one ever after that because that one wasn't real. So I purchased 2 MAC lipsticks, and the one that I had bought in high school was the heroin one, and I had to buy the original one because this is so nostalgic. Like, this brings back memories, and they do smell like cake. And I'm very excited for this because now I have like the real thing. After so many years, I can finally purchase a MAC lipstick, and I'm very excited for that. The other one I had to because every time I would see this like in a video, or I would see this somebody wearing it or somebody talking about it, I wanted to jump on that wagon because I'm a big fan of red lipsticks. And dark lipsticks. I love dark lipsticks, red lipsticks, but I like the ones that have like the blue undertone. I don't really like the ones that have an orange undertone. It just will depend on how I wear it. Now, this one was the original Ruby Woo. So I am very excited to use this on a video. I'm not gonna do any swatches. I am not gonna, nothing. I am just gonna put them there because I'm gonna review them. Now so the next products, I went a little ham. So, yeah, I went a little ham. So I'm just gonna like try to set it there. I'm going to grab my coffee because it's already cold, and I need to drink it. Alright, so we're going to start off with the foundations that I purchased. These are foundations that I'm going to do like a whole review on them because I haven't used them at all, and I was really intrigued. The HDTV, and I haven't opened it, so I don't know how it looks. I hope I don't stab my hand. So this is going to be a review, and it looks a little different. It's in the color Nude. So it looks a little different than this one's the waterproof. This one I already reviewed, and this one is just the HDTV. You can see one has a frosted bottle and the other one has a clear glass bottle. So this one will be coming in a review. That's one. Now the next one is the NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat liquid foundation. This one is also in nude. Now I think this is going to be a little too dark. The color on the website looked a little bit lighter, but if it's a little too dark, then I'm just going to have to mix it in with something light. But this is going to be another one that I'm going to review. Then we have the Fit Me Dewy Smooth foundation. Yeah, Maybelline's Fit Me Dew Smooth foundation. It looks something like this. This one also looks a little bit dark. It's the 220 Natural Beige, but I can work with it. This one's dewy, so I'm gonna see how the dewy works. So this one's the dewy one, and that one retailed for $7.99, $6.49 for the NYX, and then $7.47 for the HD bronze color. Next, I have the other Maybelline liquid, and this one's the matte poreless foundation. This one is in warm nude, the 128. This one's supposed to be the one that mattifies your skin, and this one retailed for $7.99. And then missing one. Where's the other one missing? Oh, here it is. The next one would be the Luddy London medium coverage matte foundation, selfie ready. This one's in color beige, and this one retails for $7.99. The Maybelline Fit Me Stick Foundation. This one's really cool. It has like the middle part, like a different color. So this one retails for $7.99 also. So those are the foundations that I purchased. Those are the foundations that I purchased. Now going to the palettes. I went ham on the palettes as well. So the first palette I have is the, where did it go? The 35M Boss Mood. I could not resist, and I had to purchase it. Again, Morphe with the sturdy palette stuffy. So this is the one that looks like a this. Very, very beautiful, very colorful. It comes with a little plastic thing with the colors, the name of the colors. So that's gonna be on one of my reviews. And I'm gonna set it aside because I don't want to swatch anything. I'm gonna do a video with just swatches. So this one can go there. Next is the other Morphe palette. It's the 35V Stunning Vibes. Okay, and it's this one. This one looks really colorful and sultry. And it also comes with the plastic with the namey things on them. They're Franny proof. Right, so that is this one. Now, next. Yes, the Anastasia Sultry palette. I had to grab it. I mean, it was there. I saw it. I was like, I need this. I need this. So this is the Anastasia, and don't put your fingers in front of me. It's this one. Very beautiful. I can't wait to play with this. And put this one back, and it does feel like that glitter feeling. Very, very cool. Very cool. Right, that one. Then I got some Juvia's Place palettes. I got the Masquerade Mini by Juvias, and when I said mini, when I saw mini, I was like, okay, well, they're gonna be like small. Well, not small, but you know, like smaller. And it's a huge packet. It's a huge palette. So this is what it looks like. Hot pink. Very, very hot pink. And then I love how they do, I'm just gonna take this off. I love how they do like the picture. And then these are the colors. Very, very beautiful colors. Very beautiful. So this is gonna go back in its little box because then Franny is gonna want to play with them. And that's a no-no. Then another Juvia's Place palette. It's this one, the Magic Mini by Juvias. And throwing the box to the side. When they say mini, I was like, mini, okay, mini. And beautiful picture. And then the crazy colors. Very, very beautiful. Bring that back. Oh, doesn't want to go in. Okay, there we go. The other Juvias palette was the Zulu by Juvias. And then this one, look at that, very, very cool. And then the extremely crazy colors, then I am excited to dig into, especially that purple one. Look at that. Very, very nice. Like yellow also is calling my name, and the green one. All of them are calling my name. Don't lie, all of them are calling my name. So, go in there, okay? And throw the box right there on the side. Now, the last but not least palette is the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition. And something like this, very glittery in the front, very beautiful. And the pans are a little bit smaller, but here we go, and they're all shimmer colors. So then now I need to grab the original one. But they're all shimmery. Very, very nice. There's 35 colors total. And this one goes back in the box. And the last item that I purchased was this Physicians Formula eyeliner, ultra fine liquid eyeliner. I have seen, I've had heard a lot of things about this eyeliner. I've heard that it's really, really good and it's really easy to work. So I was intrigued and I said, why not? So it comes in a nice silver package. And this is what it looks like. And that was all my purchases from Ulta with that 20, oh yeah, I forgot to say, it was with that 20% off that you would grab with your stuff. So that is everything that I purchased. I'm very, very excited to dig in and to play with all of these beautiful stuff that I got. If you really, really like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. If you have any comments about what you want to see first, like what palettes you want to see first, go ahead and add the comments which palette you would like to see first in action. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye! Sultry. I love this sultry look.